Welcome to JeremyLDavis.com, where developing effective blue-collar leaders is our passion. I am Jeremy Davis, and welcome back to my little dungeon. Today, we have another powerful leadership lesson. Now, today, we're going to be discussing the damage of micromanagement in a culture of ownership. When it comes to promoting ownership and telling somebody that they're in charge of a process, or you want to see what they have, you cannot micromanage. Okay, it is as simple as that. Now, in blue collar industries, effective leadership is crucial for fostering productivity and morale. One leadership buzzword that frequently surfaces is ownership. The, the idea that team members should take full responsibilities for their tasks, decisions, and outcomes. However, when a leader emphasizes ownership but then micromanages every aspect of their team's work, it leads to confusion, frustration, and a breakdown in trust. Now, let's explore the damage that this type of leadership can cause. First and foremost, it undermines trust and confidence. You see, trust is the foundation of a healthy workplace. When leaders preach ownership and then out of the other side of their mouths they contradict themselves by micromanaging, it sends a mixed message to leaders below them and employees. The team starts to wonder, do they trust me to do my job? This constant second guessing erodes confidence and leads employees to question their own abilities. When a leader is always hovering or making decisions, the team feels that no matter what they do, it is never good enough. Over time, employees may just totally disengage, thinking, why should I put in extra effort if the manager is just going to redo my work anyway? Truthfully, that's what happens. Number two, you are killing initiative and problem solving, especially things that you don't fully understand. Ownership is about empowering employees to make decisions and solve problems. However, when a leader micromanages, they strip their team of this autonomy. Leaders who are constantly involved in every detail send a signal that they don't value or trust their team's judgment. As a result, team members stop taking initiative to address the challenges themselves. I have seen this time and time again. So instead of taking initiative, they just start waiting for their leader's instructions before making any move because they're afraid to do it wrong. This stifles creativity and problem-solving abilities, which are vital in fast-paced, hands-on industries like construction, steel, logistics, and manufacturing. If employees fear every decision that they make will be overruled, they won't take ownership. They'll play it safe or pass the responsibility right back to the leader. What sounds like a better decision to you? Number three, you're wasting time on resources, time and resources. Micromanagement not only demoralizes, but it is also inefficient. Leaders who focus on every small task are taking valuable time away from the bigger picture, such as strategy, growth, or even team development. When a leader is too involved in the day-to-day minutia, they risk missing out on a larger trend or opportunities that can improve performance and streamline operations. In industries where time is money, the constant back and forth between employees and their micromanaging leader can slow down productivity. Projects take longer, team morale plummets, and the company ends up wasting both time and resources that could have been spent more effectively. Not to mention the turnover that this creates. Because, number four, this also creates a toxic work environment. Leaders who preach ownership but don't allow employees to truly own their own work can foster resentment. This type of behavior creates a toxic work environment where employees feel powerless and frustrated. They begin to dread the constant scrutiny and nitpicking, which can lead to higher turnover rates, lower job satisfaction, and decreased productivity. Not to mention just total disengagement. In the blue collar world where teamwork and trust are paramount, a toxic environment can quickly spread across the organization. You see, workers talk. And when negativity about micromanagement takes root, it affects morale across all departments. And that is a death sentence to your business. Number 5, eroding leadership credibility. Consistency is the key to good leadership. When leaders say one thing but do another, their credibility takes a hit. Employees will eventually stop listening to a leader who preaches empowerment but practices control. This loss of respect is hard to recover from. Not impossible, but it is hard to recover from. Once employees feel that their leader isn't practicing what they preach, it becomes difficult for them to buy into any future initiatives or guidance. You see, leaders in blue collar industries must embody the principles that they promote. You can't say one thing and do another. If they call for ownership, they need to step back and trust their team to execute their roles. Otherwise, they risk being seen as inconsistent and ineffective. Now, in conclusion, leaders who emphasize ownership while micromanaging their teams create an environment of mistrust, low morale, and inefficiency. True ownership requires the leaders to trust their employees, provide guidance when needed, and give them the autonomy to make decisions. Without this balance, leadership credibility crumbles and the company suffers from disengaged employees and wasted resources. To learn more about fostering leadership skills and driving accountability without falling into the micromanagement trap, contact me via whatever channel you are watching this or visit jeremyldavis.com. I look forward to helping you and your leaders be more successful. Have a great day.